Came out to the truck last night to get something, and I left my keys in the car. Just leaned on them, hit the lock button, didn't think about it, and closed the door. And when the truck's here at the house, you know, sometimes I'll leave the keys in it anyway. So the only thing I have for a wedge out here, because I can't find my actual wedge, is an axe. So I'm using that as a wedge to wedge my door open. So I'm standing up on this rack, and it still isn't enough room for me. But we're gonna give it a shot anyway. And my goal here is to try to not scratch the inside. Gotta remember, I think these have a seal. Remember where the seal is. And if I can come in this way. Yeah.
Do you need me to move now?
No. Well, here's what I can tell you. This isn't going to be long enough anyway. My antenna.
Oh.
Everything about this is bad. See, I wish I could see in there. So I've hit the lock mechanism multiple times, and it will only lock the truck. It will not unlock it. I just knocked a little corner in this, so hopefully I can just, ooh, sorry, grab my lock. Done.
Oh, you got it?
Should I lock it? There.
No.
There.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. So lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. There you go, guys. Now I'm just going to throw this in the back of the truck, so I've got it back there for any thief that needs it. And we'll try to retrieve my axe from my truck. You know, it's a bad morning when you got to use your axe to open your door. Now, what will happen when you flex this door out like this? There's a gap right here, guys. And what you do is you just, I'll show you here in 1 second. So, I'm not going to do this. Well, I can do it here. Okay. This is a bodyman's technique. These doors, they come in flexed all the time, and this happens. Like people, you know, lock seatbelts in there and crap. So, what you do is you put your knee right here, right up by this brace point, and just give it a little pull. And that will make sure it's unlocked. That'll line it up. There you go. Now it's flush. Alright, guys. I gotta go to work now. Thanks for watching.